Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention someone on your post on TikTok. So in here, I've already opened the TikTok apps and I'm going to click on the plus icon to start posting it. So you can choose between photos or videos. Here I'm going to, for example, upload a videos. Okay, I'm going to add this videos right here, for example. Now just click on next, and after that there will be an option to add friends in here. You can first write the description. I'm going to just write here and click on add friends in here, this buttons right here, and then just search the nickname of your friend's TikTok account, or you can just find the recent friends that you interact with in on a TikTok. So for example, I'm going to mention this friends right here. Click on the name and it will be shown here on the caption or description, and after that just click on post. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.